Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Ghaneva channel and it's about personal development, meaning importation and lifestyle. If you click on this video to watch it, thank you so much. I have to thank you before we get into the video. Today's video is about how you can save your Chinese suppliers in English. Yes, they are all in Chinese, and sometimes when you want to chat them, you would have to go through all of them, each one, to check if it's that supplier before you can actually chat them. So I have a solution for that. This is how you can actually say your supplier's contact in English. Okay, it's not that difficult. So let's get into the video, the process of how you can actually do that, and we'll be right back. So let's go into how we can do this. So we would go to the message app, that is this one. Now when we come to the message app, you could see that I've already saved some of my suppliers in English, right? Yes, so when I come here and I want to chat them, I just click on how I save it and I chat them. So at first, when they were all in Chinese, I was finding it very difficult before I can ask of them of anything. So let's click on one of the suppliers that I haven't saved. Okay, so let's click on this one. Yes, so now when we click on this one, then you would select the three dot here, just like how you can save your supplier's contact procedure. Okay, then you click on this arrow here. So when you click on this arrow, you could see this here and here. Okay, so you will click on, or you will select this one. You can take a screenshot of it in Google Translate to understand what is here, but I don't want to waste much time, so let's just click on this one. Yeah, so it's coming. Good. So when we click on this one, this would appear. Okay, then you change it to the name that you want. So I want to say maybe Happy Man. Okay, then I would click here to save it. Then I save, and you could see the changes here. Right, so it means that I've changed the supplier's contact from Chinese to English. So we'll go back to check if it has really saved. So let's go back. Sometimes when you save, it will appear right before you save it. Sometimes when you save, it will take 24 hours or some 4 hours before it will reflect. So we will give ourselves, we will check the time. So currently it is 5:19 p.m. so we will come again to check if it has changed. Okay, then we will calculate the hours it took to change it, so that when you do it and it doesn't appear right before you do it, you know that it took some time for mine to come. Okay, so let's wait for that hours and come back maybe an hour later to check it, or any hour that will come and it is changed, I will let you know. Okay, so this was the next day that I checked it, and it is currently 8:24 p.m. Yeah, and it has changed So it can take some hours before it changes. Okay, so when you do it, just check it again the next day and it will be changed, or just right after it. Yes, and this is how you can save your Chinese suppliers in English. So please, if you like this video, please don't forget to give the video thumbs up, and don't forget to also subscribe to the community. Join this community. It is an amazing community and you would really love it if you join the community. I'll see you in the next video. Please do well to take very good care of yourself. Ghaneva, and keep inside your success.